Hey you guys, welcome back to another Sparkle adventure. Today I'll be showing you how I took this big Happy Planner memory keeping kit and I created a memory keeping spread to remember my trip to Chicago for the Chicago Planner Conference. So the kit comes with 2 sticker sheets that have this really cool rose gold foiling, and I love the theme with all the succulents and the florals, and it's got this really awesome natural look to it, including like how cute is this little succulent washi? I love it. Let's get into the planner itself. Like I said, it has this really pretty florals and naturals and succulents look to it. So we have the opening dashboard here. It has a monthly layout. And then we get to the weeks right there. This is the first one I'll be working on. I also wanted to show you a few of my favorite dashboards. Like this one, happiness is always a choice. And then this one says, do what you love. And then oh yeah, the ranunculus. Ranunculus? I'm not sure you say his flower, but. And then at the back, they have these blank pages for occasions, vacations, seasons. I really love these, and you can put them anywhere in the book. So let's see. Oh, here's another vacation one. I'll definitely be using those. And then we have some listy pages in the back. Okay, so let's go back to the spread that we were working on for this memory keeping, which is actually just this one page. Let's go ahead and take it out of the planner. Like I said, I'll be doing memory keeping for my trip to Chicago for the Chicago Planner Conference. I was there as a vendor and I did a workshop. One of the classes that I took at CPC was how to memory keep in a happy planner. It was hosted by Heather, aka Kell Plan. You should definitely check out her Instagram and YouTube channel. I'll be putting all the information in the description down below. It was in that class where we actually got these Happy Planner memory keeping kits, and she gave us some great tips, which I'll actually be implementing some of them here, like the flippy picture things. So instead of talking the whole time, I'm going to put some fun music in. You'll just watch the memory keeping, and then I'll come back at the end to kind of talk about it and show you the finished product. Okay, so here we have the finished page. I am so happy with how this turned out. Okay, so here's the flippy thing that I was talking about that Kell of a Plan, aka Heather, showed us in the class. How you can put multiple pages, or multiple pictures, sorry, in the same spot and have them not take up the whole page. I loved using these because I took so many pictures that weekend, and it was such a great way to conserve space. This spread definitely does not have a whole lot of white space, but I kind of love it that way, the way it's all jam-packed with cute stuff, journaling, stamps, washi, and of course all of the pictures. I hope you've enjoyed watching this spread come together, and I can't wait to show you more. Thanks for hanging out. I'll see you later.